In this market, buyers are constantly competing for their dream home. So how can you make your offer stand out above the rest? Well, I have 3 tips to help you do just that. Hey friends, I'm Branson with Chamberlain Realty, and I've helped hundreds of buyers get their dream home. So I know how scary and exciting it can be, and it's my job to get you your dream home. So here's a few tips to help you stand out from the crowd. Tip number 1, make sure you've offered a competitive price on the home. In this market, there are sure to be plenty of offers being put on that same home that you're wanting. So don't hold out too much or you might find yourself losing out on that home. Tip number 2, put down a larger earnest money deposit. It shows that you're serious, and it also tells the seller that you're more likely qualified to purchase. So be sure not to remove your loan or appraisal contingencies until you are absolutely certain that you're fully approved to purchase the home and that underwriter's given the approval. Otherwise, you could stand to lose your deposit. What if you don't have enough money for a large earnest money payment? Well, maybe you can remove some of your contingencies. So for example, maybe you've seen the inspections and you know that the house is in great shape. You could then remove the inspection contingencies. Removing contingencies could make your offer look stronger. Tip number 3, let the seller know that you haven't written any offers on other properties and that you're going to be reasonable as possible in regards to repairs and requests once you go into escrow. Make sure your agent is in contact with their agent consistently, helping to make you as the buyer stand out in the eyes of the agent. Believe it or not, that can be what seals the deal. There are so many more tips that I can show you, so give me a call and let me assist you in getting your dream home. I'm Branson with Chamberlain Realty, making home dreams a reality. Let me guide you home.